Surprise, 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 Samsung just changed the design of the Galaxy S21 Ultra and it's already leaked. What's up guys, so this, according to all leaks, is the final design of the S21 Ultra before it goes into mass production, and the beast has one more addition. Yes, instead of 4 cameras, now we have 5 cameras on the back. It's not completely clear what this camera sensor is about. It could be a macro lens, which I would love to see. It might be a 3D sensor or a autofocus assist sensor, we don't know, but what we do know that this is indeed the final design of the S21 Ultra before it goes into mass production, which means that it's very likely that these phones might get announced in the late December of this year or super early of January next year. Now there's also a wild rumor going on that Samsung might deliver a 144Hz display with the S21 Ultra model, and honestly, as badass as it sounds, it's probably not gonna happen. This is a very sketchy rumor that is going on. Not one trusted source is behind this, so I'm gonna wait on this rumor. But with that being said, there will be something special about the display of the S21 Ultra. There might be something similar to the ultra smooth engine of the Oppo phones and similar technology of the OnePlus phones that basically allows them to transform the video content that you're watching into 60 FPS, making the lower frame rate video even smoother by using software. So something like that could happen with the S21 Ultra or pretty much all the S21 models. Other leaksters are mentioning the possibility of Samsung offering a 120Hz refresh rate option for the first time on Quad HD resolution. Either way, something exciting is about to happen with the S21 Ultra's display. Now once again, Ross Young further confirms the release date of the S21 Ultra. According to him, it could happen in the late December. So pretty much we're like 2 months away from the official S21 announcement, and honestly it sounds really crazy to me. Samsung is basically doing this for 2 reasons. First reason is to capitalize on the vulnerable situation of Huawei, and the second reason is to make the Galaxy Z lineup, the foldable phones, the star of the show. According to Ross Young, the Z Flip 2 is having some really good upgrades. Now speaking of Z Flip 2, the Z Fold 3 is also on the cards and it's gonna have some crazy upgrades. Out comes a new patent via Let's Go Digital showing off a crazy keyboard upgrade with the Galaxy Z Fold 3. This honestly looks like Z Fold 2 on steroids. The patent shows off a foldable smartphone with a sliding keyboard to really transform the foldable phone into a mini laptop. It's rocking a fully slim touchscreen keyboard that will offer a comfortable keyboard experience. Because you can lock the phone in different orientation, it looks pretty cool. Now unlike the current Galaxy Z Fold 2, this one has a larger display, and not just that, it offers the ability for outward folding for the first time. We have seen this happening on the Huawei Mate X, so this is going to be happening for the first time on a Samsung foldable phone, and honestly it looks really good. Look at how the display curves around, just adds so much premiumness to the table. Now this gives me a lot of hope that if Samsung can fit a keyboard with the Z Fold 3, then best believe they can fit a full-fledged S Pen as well. I have to say the future of foldable phones are looking really exciting. Last but not the least, Samsung has secured some big W here regarding the sales. The Galaxy S20 Plus is the best-selling 5G smartphone in the world. Samsung has been the only true global brand that introduced 5G flagship phones pretty early on. So we had other players like Xiaomi, OnePlus, and Huawei, but of course none of them can challenge Samsung dominance as well and truly as Apple. So the iPhone 12 family with 5G has been going pretty good in sales. Still, as of now, S20 is the reigning defending champion when it comes to the 5G worldwide sales. Samsung is planning to challenge iPhone 12 series further by launching cheaper 5G phones like the Galaxy A42. So that's all the latest Samsung news. The Z Fold 3 is looking like Z Fold 2 on steroids. The Galaxy S21 Ultra is getting another camera sensor, perhaps a new surprise with the display refresh rate might be there. Again, let me know what you think about everything in the comment section below. As always, subscribe to the channel for daily tech videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.